How to enable profile view on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's go in our TikTok application. Here you have to just simply go for profile, and if you don't have an eye icon on the top right, you have to simply go to your Play Store and search for TikTok and see if there is any update. You have to update it if there is no eye icon appears on your profile. So now you have to simply click on eye icon, and this page will appears up, and simply you have to click on turn on, and there you go. So you can also go to your settings and enable or disable your profile view history. So I hope this video will help you out. So this is how you can enable profile view on TikTok.